hearing this right now, something is shifting in your life. Don't scroll. My friend, this message is not for everyone. It's for the person who has been feeling a strange heaviness lately. The person who feels like God is silent. The person who is wondering why life suddenly became harder. Listen closely. The pressure you're feeling is not a sign that God left you. It's a sign that something is about to break open for you. Pressure always comes before the breakthrough. God is whispering to you right now. Do not fear the shaking. I am rearranging things for your good. You've been losing people, losing strength, losing patience. But God sees. I am removing what cannot go with you into your next season. You didn't lose anything. Heaven is simply clearing space for what's coming next. Something in your life is turning, even if you can't see it. The spiritual atmosphere around you is shifting. Doors that were locked are loosening. Chains that held you for years are cracking. Stay with me till the end, because I'm about to pray a prayer that will activate this shift. You have cried quietly in the night. You have smiled through pain nobody knows. You have carried burdens that should have broken you. But you are still standing. Do you know why? Because God never left your side. You survived what was meant to destroy you. And that is the sign that your new season has begun. Father, for this person listening right now, I pray that the shift in their life becomes visible. Turn every delay into sudden testimony. Turn every closed door into an open path. Let the winds of breakthrough blow into their home, their heart, their destiny. I declare, your shift has begun. Your season has changed. Your breakthrough starts now. If this message touched you, right, my shift has started. Your testimony is closer than you think.